What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be dissecting my piggy. So I need to get it open, get it set up for my anatomy presentation, which I'm going to go over the veins and whatnot. So you guys will see me open it up. I've been watching other YouTube videos on how to dissect it because I do have to do it myself. I'm not in a classroom. I'm just at home with this kit, and I have this little paper apron. I mean, this plastic apron that they sent. I have my gloves on. I'm gonna put a mask and some goggles because I don't want anything spraying into my face. I put my hair back in a ponytail. So let's get started. Alright, I should probably put my mask on first. Okay. We do want the blue side out. Woo! Okay. This is mad out. Oh, my glasses are fogging up. This is the problem that I have at work with having to wear a mask and my glasses to see, so. Okay. Oh, I got this plastic thing to put the piggy in so it's not just on the counter, but I don't know if it'll work. Okay. I just got home from work. Ah! So we have, oh! I don't want to use the scissors that we have here at home. Can you see my goggles are fogging up?
Yeah.
So they have these little ones that hopefully it cuts through. Paper bags to cover. Where's my arm? Oh. They don't want it to leak all over the place. Whew! Okay. What do I do with the scissors? Whew. Okay, it smells odd. It has an odd smell. Do you want to put a mask on?
I don't smell anything.
Really? I can smell it. Okay. I'm just gonna wrap this away here. Okay. And we have a male fetal pig here. I'm gonna just take it out of the bag. Whew. Okay. Here is our fetal pig. It is a male. As you guys can see, the umbilical cord is still attached. Okay, so it was not a born pig. This is the umbilical cord here. I do have a male. This one should have an opening, yeah, right here. You guys can see that for the penis. So the penis would actually be right here, if I'm correct. Yeah. And then booty. Whew. Okay, gonna turn our specimen over. Okay, it's real stiff. So we're just gonna go ahead and just cut through our specimen. You guys, please don't play with your specimens or be, you know, disrespectful in any way. I don't want to cut too deep and then cut through any. Okay. Getting through it. You guys, I have been talking through to myself, like, okay, just find what you need to find, get through it. Don't think about it as little baby animal, but just, we need this to learn. Okay, I can feel the ribs here. I see something blue inside. I think that's just the preservatives or whatever it is to keep it together. Okay, I cut through something. I think I cut through the liver. You guys, I've never done a dissection before. I don't know how far I'm supposed to cut. Okay, I think I just cut through the rib cage. Okay. Okay, in here we can already see oh wow, it's all this blue stuff. Okay. So you can see the small and large intestine already through here. But I need mostly this upper part. But I don't know. Oh my gosh, like, do I cut through the rib cage? Ah! Okay. Yeah, I feel the ribs here. Oh, I can see the heart. Okay, can you guys see the heart? So the heart is right in here. Oh, I don't want to break its arm. Ah. Okay, I'm seeing a bunch of blue fluid inside. Okay, you guys, I see lungs. Okay. So here we have our lungs. I think people think, and I even thought that they kind of have a different shape, but they are more like triangular. What happened to my little prong? So it's these guys right here. Here's one. The other one's over. Oh. Oh, I can feel the ribs. Okay, I'm trying not to cut through the heart. Here I found our second lung. It's this guy right here. Lung 1, lung 2 over here. You guys see this big organ here? This is your liver. You have your stomach and your pancreas down in here. Okay. And you guys, that is me dissecting open this pig. I need to now tie it back and do my presentation for the veins for week 3 of anatomy 2.
Oh, I'm starting to smell it now.
Yeah, you guys have to air it out. I do have to keep this specimen for another week. I'm going to try to get as much as I can out. But if you guys like today's video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me for more videos. If you guys don't like this video, just have other workout videos you guys can keep up with. But go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave that in the description below. Thank you to Abe for being my cameraman today. I'll leave his Instagram and YouTube below so you guys can follow him too. Thank you guys. Bye.